What do you guys see that's off about this tire? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No cap. Where did it go? It off. Nolan's gonna be riding on the rim soon. Flat in like 20 minutes. Oh. Alright, we were taking like this like highway thingy. Bro, this is scary. We almost got hit by the food truck or whatever. The market cars.
Alright.
Oh my god.
I'll update you once we're in town or some shit.
AJ, tell them our predicament.
Let me put the dad hat on.
What's our predicament,
I don't fucking
AJ?
know what predicament means.
What's our situation? What's going on?
Why don't you just say situation? That fucking pisses me off.
Alright, so AJ,
Sorry. God.
what are we gonna do, AJ?
Oh my god.
Alright, so wait, tell them what's all happening.
Oh my god. So we met up, and then we got hungry, so we went to Lake Corbin. Go to the side. Your bike's in the way. Go to the side. Go to the side.
You're so awkward, you're like,
AJ, so what's all going on right now?
Alright, so we met at the church, and then all of us got hungry or something. Or you were like,
Yeah, I'm hungry and
you were like, I'm hungry.
Look at this one.
Boy, if you don't get
Alright, keep going.
Alright, so we got hungry. Then we took out, I'm saying at least 5 minutes to figure out where we were gonna go. You were like Culver's. Then it was the market.
Yeah, the market was actually the strat though.
Yeah, so then we went to the market, and we put our bikes behind the tree.
Yeah.
And then we went in. This kid's loud the whole time.
Yeah, this kid got a worker mad at us.
Cause he's
No, I didn't.
You're so loud. You're like 2 for 5. Why don't get the 2 for 5?
No, that was you. I was like, just get the 2 for 5.
And then you were pacing yourself, cause you were like, oh my god, the Teddy Graham looks like Corbin.
Alright, keep going.
So we go in, we pass the deli area, and that was our strat. That was our strat, right?
Uh-huh.
To get the deli stuff.
What did we get, AJ?
We got some fried chicken. We got plates.
And we got Oreos.
That's when this kid was like, get the 2 for 5.
Alright, so what happened after we got the chicken?
Oh, okay. This is where it gets wild. All right. So we're biking back. This kid dropped his phone. No, all right. You explain this part.
Alright, so we were on the Culver's parking lot, and we were crossing it, and my little dumb little boy, my phone falls out of my pocket right in the middle, where you would go out of the drive-through, and so I'm on my bike, and my bike's way too big for me. So I'm I had to get off, I had to run down, grab my phone. There's 10 cars piling up behind me. I put my phone in my pocket.
They're just staring at you while you
They're all
bent
staring
down.
at me. And then again, like I said, my bike's too big for me, so it takes me a while to start it, to get going.
How do you say start it like it's a motorcycle?
So I'm pedaling it like a scooter. You know how you ride a scooter? That's how I'm pedaling.
No, I don't know how you ride a scooter.
And then
Thanks, buddy.
that's my strat.
Alright, so then
Give me an Oreo.
so we were so after we got our food and everything, we had to find a place to eat.
So we're biking. Alright, so a lady is walking. Corbin, sit up.
Hold up.
Corbin, sit
Hold
up.
up. So
Alright,
we're
so,
biking. No,
alright,
first
so
we
we're
went to
biking.
elementary school.
Yeah, and then we were trying to eat. Alright, so we're biking. Alright, so the elementary school didn't work. Alright, so
then
going
this
back,
kid's
we're going to
let's
middle
eat in the
school,
library.
which is where we are now. So we're biking, and then there's a lady in the middle of the sidewalk. Corbin stops. The lady's excuse me, and then Corbin's
No, I told you, I was you're in the middle, get out of the way.
I didn't know there was a lady coming behind me.
Why do you think I said that? So the lady walks up, she's excuse me, you're
And then you weakly go up the hill.
All right, now we found a place to eat. We're at the middle school, like, playground. And this is our new segment, Wing on the Swing.
Well, we got Oreos.
We'll get a Wing on the Swing segment in a little bit. Just said.
No.
What did you just say?
No,
AJ?
you don't understand though, cause my chicken's like soft. It's fried. Like when you get fried chicken, like usually like the skin part, so like this, it's supposed to be crunchy, and it's not. Nice job, Nolan.
Can we get a GoFundMe for this kid's brain?
Hey, this kid is dropping his food everywhere. Pick it up, Nolan.
What are you Wings on Swings? Corbin. What are you talking about today? How many different kinds of wings there are?
Alright.
Hey, just say a wing.
The fried ones, the good old fried chicken.
Buffalo.
Honey barbecue, and that's good.
Alright, Corbin.
Hot wings.
AJ.
There's so many different hot wings, though. There's like buffalo.
I said buffalo.
No, yeah, but you said hot wings.
I said buffalo before, dang it.
That's a hot wing.
No, it's not.
Hey, come here.
Rotisserie wings.
I got a secret. Buffalo's fucking spicy.
All right, just keep going.
AJ.
What else? There's like teriyaki chicken.
Teriyaki wings.
Yeah, I'm pretty. Yes, that's a thing.
I'm going rotisserie wings. Baked wings.
Okay. AJ.
Full on turkey, bro. Full on.
Bro, have you ever had a quail wing?
No.
Never.
Never.
Bro,
heard
quail
of-
wings are dope. Pheasant wings.
I had a
Chicken wings.
I had a gator nugget.
Hey, gator nugget gang. Bro, if you had a gator nugget, put like, I've had a gator nugget in the comments. Alright?
Nah, gator nuggets are great though. They're like chewy, but they're like chewy like perfectly. You just kicked Nolan's leg.
Oh, stop. Alright. Alright, boys, this has been Wings on Swings with Corbin and AJ. See you in the next one.
Alright, so we were passing BP, alright? And then trying to get to elementary school. And so there was like this little, I don't know, there was like a little
It was a curve.
curb water thing, but it was like a foot out of the goddamn ground.
Yeah.
And then
And
so
one foot was metal.
AJ like was going straight and I was going right by this kid. So we were like parallel, right?
And then my bike swerved.
AJ's bike swerved left because I was on the left side of him. So I had to swerve left to not hit him. And then because like if I would have hit him, then both of us would have fell. All right? That was close. All right, but anyway, when I swerved, I hit the
The little
curb water thingy. And all right, so picture me riding on my bike, and then I go flying over my handlebars. Shoulder hits the ground first, then my head.
You ragdoll over your.
Yeah, ragdoll over. And then, yeah, that's what happened. I got like a cut on my eyebrow area.
And your knee.
My knees creased.
Your knuckles.
My knuckles are bloody. My fingers bloody. I don't know. And then this cop car.
I mean, we'll call her. I mean, yeah, we'll just say.
Is that her name?
Yeah.
Her name's Jeff. It's a police officer though. And her name's Jeff. Well, she pulls up and she's like, "Are you okay?" As I'm like, obviously fine.
Yeah, you're like still on the ground though. Your bike's cruised.
Yeah, I bent my handlebars.
Your seat was crooked too.
My seat was crooked and my one of my pedals fell off.
I don't understand how it fell. No, wait. But before that, your pedal was starting to fall off.
Yeah, before that it was falling off too. I don't know. That's the story though. It's AJ's fault if anyone asks.
It's my fault that Corbin got some gnarly cut on his eyebrow.
I look like a warrior though.
Kinda do. Besides your knee.
Yeah, besides my knee. My knee looks like I'm just like a little dumb white boy. Well, next to the next clip.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment new video ideas for us, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.